There's a suit at the Supreme Court. There's a writ, and Richard Carr is asking for some relief. Of course, the matter is in court, so we cannot go into the merits of it. But your general thoughts on this as we conclude on this topic?
As the laws of Ghana stand,
this is not part of them.
I think that this will not see the light of day, and I'm going to explain to you why. If you look at the lawmaking processes, you have to look at Article 106 of the Constitution, right? And that whole exercise ends with the assent of the president to a bill that is passed. Unless, of course, the president has some reservation, okay? Either by using Article 90, where he would have to then give to the Council of State for them to look at it again, okay? And give recommendations and all that. The Council of State has, I think, 30 days to deal with that and all that.
Or use 106.
Yes, right. Or in 106, where the president would himself go back to Parliament and say, hey, this. So I think you should have a relook at it. Now, when a bill has not even been given to the president, or when the president has not signed it, so far as it is the bill of Parliament, they could still even call it back, right? And so, for now, it is a working process. It's a work in progress now. And so, if somebody goes to the court and says that, hey, get the president not to assent to the bill, it has not become an act yet, because I don't see how...
But you can restrain the president from signing it if he gets to his desk. You can stop the person who has to transmit it from transmitting it, can't you?
We have not seen, okay, its ancestry in our law before. But like it said in the proverbial case, I mean the classical case of Tufo versus Attorney General, the constitution such as ours is a living organism. And so it must be given life as it goes along. If it goes to Parliament, or it goes to the Supreme Court, and looking at the nature of our Constitution and the fact that it must be interpreted with modern purposive approach to suit the tenets of current democracy, if they think that no, the framers of the Constitution did not have this within their contemplation because they did not ever think something like that could happen, and they decide that it is still within the rights of a person, that even when it has not become a law, they can restrain the president from signing, so be it. But if we are guided by precedent at all, then, as I say it, the Supreme Court may just throw it out. So what we are bringing to us is not yet a law. So how are you going to invoke our jurisdiction? So that's where I'm coming from. And if the way it has been interpreted over the years is anything to go by, then this suit, if I may put it that way, is dead on arrival.
Very well.